Welcome back, advanced users. This is the second video of 3 for our advanced training session, and this video is going to focus solely on adding and managing a blog to your website. So let's go ahead and get underway. To add a blog to your web page, you're going to click the Add button, and down here near the bottom you're going to click Blog, and you should receive this handy little pop-up box. So click OK. And as you can see here, our blog was added as a new page on our web page. So the first thing I'm going to do is edit this Pages tab, because that blog is in lowercase letters and everything else is in uppercase. So I'm going to make that all big. I'm going to say OK. Looks good now. Now they're all the same across the top, and we can look at our blog here. It's got a few different elements. This shows a good example of our first of different sorts of blog posts. It shows an image post, a video post, and a text post. So you can tell how each of these is going to look based on the examples they give you. So to edit your blog, you can click on anywhere in the blog. Clicked here in the first one. Obviously you can always click and edit that text whenever you want. But you're going to go add and edit blog posts, and this is where your kind of blog manager is. So you can filter by your photo posts, your video posts, your text posts, your featured posts, and your drafts. So if you start working on something, you don't publish it yet, it's going to be in that drafts folder. So we can click add, and we can add whatever we want. Say add new text post. Title the post, we'll say maybe first day of school. And down here in the box is where you're going to actually write the contents of your blog. And maybe you say students, the first day of class is approaching. Come prepared and ready to learn. Okay, and you can set that as a featured post or a draft post, something you can save and come back to another time. And you can also tag it. So you might want to tag school or first day. Whatever you want. I'm just going to leave that blank. I'm not a big fan of tags, but you can do that if you want. Click OK. There's our first day of school. You can click Save. Data is saved successfully and published. So when we go back and look, there's our post on the date, and you can read more. I guess that text will show it. So to preview that, let's see what it would look like if we're looking at our page. And read more will take you to the comments section, and you can see the comments that people put on your post. And these are kind of preset ones. I'm not sure where those exactly came from, but we can edit those later. So let's go back to our blog homepage, and when you go back to add, that place where we had add blog is now add blog elements. So you have all these elements you can add. You can add a tag cloud, which is kind of something over here. It'll show up on the left side, search by tags. That'll be your tag cloud. You can click on each different tag and read posts about that particular tag. Your posts gallery is kind of, it'll show these images on the side, pictures of each of your posts. Your post listing, same sort of thing right here, your recent posts listing, however you want to set that up. A ticker, just about a summarized version of your first blog post and everything. That'll show up down here as well on the side. Wix has these all preset on the side. You can move them around, drag and drop them wherever you want to. And your custom feed, which is setting up how you want this whole page to look. You can see if I put that in there, it's going to put what was already in here before. So you can customize fonts, box style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4. Let's see what else we can do. The settings, you can change the layout here, so those pictures and videos will show up on different sides. You can have it completely arranged different ways, and you can personalize that as well through the add and edit blog post section. And you can see the date format you can change here, lots of different choices. Further on down, media size, scroll that over, it gets larger, it gets smaller. You can center everything, the read more button alignment, the read more button width. You can change the text of that read more button. Lots of different choices here. So honestly, a lot of this is kind of going through it and clicking around, dragging and dropping, seeing what you want and where you want it and how you want it to look. So go ahead and take some time after this video, set up your blog. I want everybody to have a blog on their website, and I think this is something great that is a place where teachers can post something and students can respond to it. And I think it's a great place for classroom activity to happen online through your website. I think it's a great function of a Wix site, a good reason to have a website. So again, go ahead and take some time, create your blog, and come back and watch the last video whenever you're ready. Thanks again.